Good morning everyone. My name is Keshtanvi. Respect our principal, teachers and major friends. I am studying in first CBSE A2. Today I am going to speak about I love my school. I love my school very much because it is my second home. My teachers are kind and helpful. They teach us with love and care. I have many friends in my school. I have many friends in my school. And we play and learn together. Our classrooms are clean and neat. Our school has a big playground. We celebrate many festivals and special days with joy. My school teaches me good manners and discipline. It helps me to become a good person in life. That is why I proudly say I love my school. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. మా స్కూల్లో కాంపిటీషన్స్ పెడితే చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే రోజు అయితే నాకు ఎలక్యూషన్లో టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఐ లవ్ మై స్కూల్. అందులో నాకు ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ వచ్చింది. నాకు డ్రాయింగ్స్లో సెకండ్ ప్రైజ్ వచ్చింది. నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.